In this video, we will look at an accessibility issue identified in my Canvas course by ALI. Inside my course, I will click on the ALI Course Accessibility Report. I want to see all the accessibility issues ALI has found in my course. I will scroll to the remaining issues section. Let's focus on the issue. This presentation contains images without descriptions. After clicking on this issue, I can see the document name and that it is a PowerPoint presentation. I can also see its accessibility score. If I click on the accessibility gauge for this file, I can view a preview of the presentation, its score, and the specific accessibility issue. There is a button I can click that will explain what this means and how to fix it. This issue means that images, charts, shapes, or other visual elements in the presentation do not have alternative text or alt text. Screen readers cannot interpret visual content without these descriptions. To fix this issue, I will need to download the presentation and open it in PowerPoint. Once the file is open, I will go to the Review tab and select Check Accessibility. This opens the Accessibility Assistant pane. In the pane, I will click on Missing Alt Text. PowerPoint will guide me to each image that needs a description. For each image, I will review it and add a clear, meaningful description in the alt text field. I can use the Generate Description option to create an auto-generated description, or I can type my own. Either way, I want my description to focus on what students need to understand from the image and keep it short. If an image is decorative and does not add meaning, I can choose to mark as decorative so screen readers will skip it. I will repeat this process for all images in the presentation. When I'm finished, I will run the accessibility checker again to make sure all issues have been addressed. Then I will save the file. Next, I will return to Canvas and upload the updated presentation file using the ALI panel to replace the original file. After uploading the corrected version, ALI updates the file. I can see that the issue has been resolved and the accessibility score has improved. Adding alt text makes a big difference for accessibility. Students using screen readers will now be able to understand the meaning of images, charts, and graphics. This ensures that all students have access to the same information, not just the text on the slide. Adding alt text improves accessibility, but the presentation may still need additional fixes, such as improving slide structure or color contrast. My presentation is now more accessible and closer to meeting WCAG 2.1 AA standards. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or want more information, please contact the Instructional Accessibility Designer.